Welcome back, my Pinkay.
I'm finally home and finally have rest because I did 4 hours of training every single day.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your training?
I mean, to be honest, I prefer training when it's 4 hours a day and that I'm like you know, together. Like,
So you think you could compete in a high level competition?
Like, what do you mean high level?
Like regional?
No.
Maybe national?
No.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Alright, we are happy that Sophia is back safely. And yeah, we're gonna treat her for dinner. And let's go. So what do you want for dinner?
No, some fast food, please.
Burger?
Yes.
Let's go burger then.
I thought that we maybe can go to restaurant. Maybe they're gonna have a burger. If not so, then we can go to McDonald's. So what you want? You want a McDonald's?
You want McDonald's only?
Yes.
Okay, McDonald's.
Please just listen to me what I want.
Okay, McDonald's.
So then we go to Kaufland, McDonald's?
Yeah, Kaufland, McDonald's. Alright, okay, we are in McDonald's kasi simple lang naman yung request niya. Gusto niya kumain ng burger. Yeah. Order, oh. Yun. So ito, akin to burger. Ito kay Sophia to. Sophia, this is yours? How about you, darling? Where's yours? Just that one? You don't have burger? I'll wrap. Chicken wrap?
Pesto.
Oh, ito sa akin. Burger din. At saka cheesecake. At saka kape. Hana? Soft drinks? Pinkay, what's yours? You don't have soft drinks? Ice cream? Wow, wow. Enjoy, Pinkay. Welcome back home. Unti-unti nang umalis yung mga kaibigan nating mga Pinoy dito sa Opava. Lilipat sila sa ibang city. I think si Romel, si Jelmer. Sino pa ba? Ang alis nila bukas. So, pupuntahan ko sila para na rin say bye. May despedida party ata sila ngayon doon mamayang hapon, pero hindi ako makaka-attend ng kanilang despedida party kasi mayroon din kaming party rito kasi nga dumating si Sophia, di ba? Sinundo namin kahapon si Sophia, dumating din siya at yung buong pamilya gustong mag-celebrate kasi alam nyo na, na-miss namin si Sophia for 1 week na wala siya, kaya let's have barbecue. Okay, weather is good. Tomorrow, ganun sila. Sunday. So, barbecue tayo. So, nako, sabi ko. So, ngayon, maaga pa, pupuntahan ko sina Romel na Jelmer para say goodbye. Yung personal. Para, yan. Ayun, ano ito?
Pinapayitan ko yan.
Nako, sayang naman.
Papayitan na. Lechon. Naglechon din ang manok. Naglechon din ang manok.
Nako. Kadami naman, kadami. Ito.
Fried chicken. Fried Caesar. Kanto fried Caesar niya.
Nako. Kadami.
Ano putok-batok?
Putok-batok. So, andito nga ako. Si Edsel ang alis bukas. Jimrel. Si Romel. Tatlo sila. So, pumunta lang ako nito. May party kasi mamaya sa bahay din. At sabi ko, nagdumaan ako rito sa kanila para magpaalam. So, ito nga, si Jimrel. Isa lang kayo, Jimrel. Si Jimrel. O ako din yan, Berno.
Yes, ano kayo? Binosob sa Praha. Binosob Praha.
Ano Praha pala yun? Hindi pala si Berno?
Binosob.
Ikaw din, sir? Isang din?
Sa
So, tatlo silang alis bukas. Kaya sabi ko, kahit na hindi ako makapag-attend, kasi sabi ko kahit papano, for the last time, magpaalam mo at ano mo yung Tayo mga Pinoy, kahit saan tayo sa abroad, nagkakaisa tayo eh.
Yes!
So, kasi ang party mamaya sa bahay, alas 2 din. So, bumili nga ako ng isang, para kay nila, hindi, para rin nyo to. Ng isang case na get. So, yun. Sayang, no? Yan sila mga tropang Pinoy dito sa Upapa.
Salamat niya, salamat.
So, paalam na ako sa inyo. So, sa muling pagkikita, ha? Paalam. So, ingat kayo, ha?
Kita tayo sa September 13.
Okay, kita-kita September 13 sa Bayo Fiesta. Shout out sa taga-embassy. At kay Ambassador Ed. Magkita-kita tayo dyan. Bye! So, dito na ako sa bahay. At malungkot, no? Pag may mga kaibigan ka na alis na naman. Alam ko na yung pagkakaibigan namin ng mga Pinoy dito sa Upapa, yung pagkaibigan namin hindi ganun katagal, pero yung pag nagkikita kami, ramdam mo yung sympathy, empathy na pag malayo ka sa pamilya, yung damayan yung mga Pinoy dahil nasa ibang bansa kayo, yung iba. So, para kay Jimrel, kay Edsel, tsaka kay Romel, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos sa bago nyong destinasyon. Ingat kayo doon. At least nakita ko kayo sa huling araw na bago kayo umalis, kasi si Jimrel tsaka si Edsel, Romel alis na bukas. Lipat sila doon sa bagong lugar malapit sa Prague. At least napasyalan ko sila. Sayang hindi ako makadalo sa despedida party nila kasi may party din dito mamaya sa bahay. Hindi naman party, parang kwan lang. Dahil kauwi ni Sofia, so yung pamilya nag-usap-usap na magba-barbecue din dito. At dahil magandang panahon, so magba-barbecue kami, tipon-tipon. So sayang. So again, salamat sa pagkakaibigan, Edsel, Jimrel at Romel, at sa lahat ng Fremont Boys. Sana magkita yung mga natirang Pilipino dito sa Fremont Boys. Sana kung may time kayo, text nyo lang ako. Kung day off kayo, text nyo lang ako. Andito lang ako. Kung kailangan nyo ng sundo, atid sa train station, kung may lakad kayo at alanganin sa oras, anytime, kahit madaling araw, text nyo ako para may hatid ko kayo. So ingat kayo, ha. Kaya hindi ako makadalo sa party ng despedida party ni Romel, ni Edsel at saka ni Jimrel, kasi nga kami dito mayroon din kaming konting salo-salo. Yun. Like eating together, get together. Yeah.
And I'm sorry you
Yes.
cannot stay, no?
Yeah, it's okay. They understand. I just said bye to them and yan, naganda si Hana ng lunch at barbecue namin mamaya. Ito, lalagay pa to sa oven. Oh, wow.
No, it's not oven. It's just marinated.
Marinated. Ilalagay to, but we're gonna cook that in the oven.
No.
I mean in the grill, barbecue grill.
If you can prepare the barbecue grill, please.
Yes, I will. Yeah. Okay. So now time for me to prepare grill, and they prepared a lot of food there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's that food?
Pinaputok na
Pumpkin.
Ang tawag ito? Pinaputok na, you know, this I cooked that once for you, twice I think, the crispy pork pata.
Crispy pork pata?
Yeah, that's so good.
Oh, I'm sorry, darling. So you're gonna eat with us then?
It's okay, they understand. So I just say bye to them and yeah.
But you can't have pork. I mean, It's not good for you.
Are you gonna do this one? Barbecue?
No.
No?
No. This is pork belly.
It's only for Tata.
That's only for Tata.
No, pork belly. This is my favorite pork belly. Okay, so I will prepare the grill now because time is really late. It's 11:30.
The time is like flying.
Wow, okay. Gawa muna tayo ng apoy. Pag 11:45 na, gutom na yung lahat. Saka pa kami magba-barbecue. Dahil magandang panahon, dito tayo magtipon-tipon. At kain, kwentuhan. Yan lang naman pamilya. Pag araw ng weekends, yung mga ganito. So, dito kami ngayon. Dadali na ni Hana rito yung iba-barbecue namin. Ayos, di ba? Sophia! We miss you! I'm ready! 1, 2, and 3. Wow! Woohoo! Another one! 1, 2. Woohoo! So lucky, Japit boy! Yay!
Oh, fire.
Fire!
First meat, how is it? Is it
Very good.
very good? Marinated very good? Did I?
Yeah.
This is my portion. And here is for my
Look at
darling, Sissy. And here is my darling who is still working on a fire. Yeah, and Helen and Milan coming. Maminka is coming. We have still a lot of food.
I can't give Sissy because it's salt.
Yeah, we cannot give Sissy. She had her food, but marinated. Ribs. And this is like a welcome lunch for Sophia from her swimming what?
Swimming camp.
Swimming camp. We are lucky we have a really beautiful weather, right? Compared yesterday. Sissy, I'm sorry, I cannot give you.
Yeah.
Hot. Oh, there is a salad and potatoes, corn. So this is another round. Lots of meat.
I love meat.
Yeah. Like in Philippines.
We are in Philippines.
Hot?
Yeah, hot.
So I went also yesterday for hunting corn. So let's see, we're gonna try it today. Hope that it's gonna be nice.
I don't like dry. Dry is not good for meat. It should be juicy. Should be like that.
These are burned. These we're not gonna eat.
We ate already. So this one's left. pici-pici.
Nie, tam są na to ale oni jeszcze nie są suche.
Busog match. So tapos na kami doon sa pergola. Pasensya na kayo kung hindi ko may sali si Mamingka, si Helen sa vlog kasi alam mo na, ayun lang masali, nahihiya na sila sa vlog kasi nagiging famous sila rito sa Radun dahil sa aking vlog. Ayaw nilang kumuha ng atensyon. So yan pa sila sa pergola sa pusap. Ganda ng panahon ngayon, may araw pero malamig kaya nagja-jacket kami. So nandito na kami ni Sofia sa loob. Ang daming natin ng pagkain. Dami naming binili ni Hana na karne. Binarbecue namin lahat. Tapos may cheese, may salad. Yun. Kasi palagi kong sinasabi kay Hana, iba talaga tayo ng culture sa Czech Republic. Kasi dito sa Czech Republic, pag naghahanda sila, bibilangin nila yung tao. Ayan, ang 6. So, parang bawat isang tao, for example, o isang slice na karne, o isang mangkok na salad, tapos tinapay or potato, tapos cheese, isa-isa kayong cheese. Sabi ko kay Hana, pag ako ang magyaya, ganito ang dapat mong gawin, Filipino style. Gusto ko yung magsawa talaga sila. Para yung kung sino pang gusto na magkarne, talagang makakain pa. So, yan, natatandaan niya na yun na pag ako magyaya sa pamilya, ibig sabihin, talagang ito sawa ka na yun, talagang mabusog ka talaga na masarap pa pero yun pala wala na. Gusto ko yung masarap pa, meron pa, kain ka. So yan, marami akong natirang karne doon na ginrel ko kasing binili ko kahapon na karne, mga siguro mga 3 kilo. Ilan lang kami, 6 lang kami rito kasama Sofia. So, yan. Yan, daming natira. Tapos, bumili siya na ng cheese. Yung melted cheese. Paborito nila yun eh. Yung pagtanggalin mo, medyo may amoy. Pero talagang masarap. Salad. Isang malaking bowl na salad. Tapos, tinapay. Yun na lang naman gusto nila, tinapay. Tapos, potato. Yung maliit na potato. Pero yung maliit na potato, galing sa garden ni Mamingka yun. At, yun. So yung mga Pinoy ngayon, sa mga famous boys, si Edsel, si Jelmer, si Romel, si Von, si Cesar, si Emal, sino ba? Sino pa hindi ko nabanggit? Nagsasaya sila ngayon at natutuwa naman ako at nagkaroon sila ng despedida party. Kaya lang nagka-conflict yung schedule natin kaya hindi ako available. So okay, nag-usap-usap muna sila doon. Dito na kami ni Sofia sa loob. Sabi ko kaya natawagin mo lang ako pag haligpitan na para tulungan kitang magligpit.
Hey guys, we are back home because it's getting cold outside. We had a nice summer dinner or lunch. Yeah, nice.
Between because
yeah,
that's already 3 o'clock.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It was like a late lunch. Yeah, and it was nice. We had a nice barbecue. We managed, even that we were missing some bricks.
Briquettes, the coal.
Yeah, the coal. Yeah, but you did it. And yeah, it was nice, delicious, and everything is clean up, getting ready for next week to roll on.
Yeah, that lunch was for Sofia because she's back, after 1 week away from us.
Yeah.
So she really loved to be away because it's freedom.
Yeah, no one told me to clean my bed, no one told me to.
How come you told me that you have to clean your bed?
Yeah, but like
your room
And no one told me to do anything.
In the hotel. Because this hotel, we paid for that hotel. That wasn't free.
Like, they didn't tell you to clean your bed or anything. They just like came into your room.
So you just did it because
Yes.
you got used to, right?
Yeah.
You just
Yeah.
heard my voice, yeah? Clean your bed.
Yeah.
Make your bed before waking up, before getting up.
But on the last like 3 days, I didn't make my bed. Because I was tired already.
It's okay, it's a hotel. It's like your vacation.
Yeah.
That's what you do when you stay in the hotel.
Person. She won't let me have vacation because I have to clean my room.
Oh, right, okay. Anyway,
I just wanna only say hi to Femont guys who had today's gathering, and Jafet missed it just because we had a today family lunch. Thank you for having him here.
they invited me, so yeah, but it's a conflict schedule.
Yeah.
Anyway, I
So-
thanked them and I said bye to them already.
Yeah, I wish you guys a good luck in your new work, and hope you will be happy in your place, and everything will be perfect.
Yeah. So again, thank you, and see you next time in Barrio Fiesta in Prague in September,
Really?
on September 13.
So we're not gonna have vlogs between?
No, I'm gonna see the Filipino. What I mean is the Fremont boys.
Okay.
They're coming.
there?
They're coming. Yeah.
Oh.
They're coming.
That's nice.
Yeah. All right. Okay. See ya.
See ya.
Bye for now.
Bye.